Hi, this is Mark from Live Well CPAP and Medical Supply. I'm going to show you kind of the ins and outs of the MyAir app. As far as downloading the app, it's very simple. It's in Google Play or the App Store. And all you have to do is type in MyAir. You're going to see something similar to this. If you're on your AirSense 11 and you go into your More option, it's on the screen, and touch MyAir app, it will say, okay, I downloaded it, and it's gonna walk you through Bluetoothing your machine to your device. Now, it doesn't tell you everything, but it is kind of nice. And basically the MyAir app is kind of like a game. The goal is to score 100 points every night. I'm gonna show you mine. I don't sleep a lot. I know for the sleep guy, I should be sleeping a little bit more. But every night it's going to give you basically a score. So as you can see on here, if you wear it for 7 hours, you get 70 points. I was awake last night. My dog was nosing the blinds quite a bit. But if you touch this, you can kind of go through and you can see I've got some better scores here. If you wear it, again, for 7 hours, you get 70 points. I'm going to go back here. If your mask seals up, you get 20 points. My AHI, if it's less than 10, you get 5 points, and so on and so forth. And then you can kind of go through your history here and see kind of how you're doing. There's coaching on here. It just takes you through training video. The nice thing is when you get your new AirSense 10, it will actually walk you through putting the mask on and let you test different pressures and just kind of walks you through how everything fits. Not everything, I mean, there's some different things in here that your clinician at your home care company will be able to help you with as well. Probably I know there's some little tricks on here that I will talk to my patients about that aren't necessarily on the videos, but they are very, very helpful. And then you kind of can see the profile there. But this will take you through and gives you, helps you track to be compliant so your insurance will pay for it. And it's a handy thing to have.